Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening OBS and picking a scene. Make sure you already added at least one source, like a display or video capture device. Once a source is visible, enable Studio Mode. This splits your output into preview on the left and program on the right, so you can stage changes safely. Make sure preview scaling is readable and use the scene list to select what you want to pre-check. This gets you immediately into a safe preview workflow. Now focus on the detailed adjustments. Preview exists so you can tweak without going live. Click inside the preview to move, right-click a source for transform options, or use Control-Drag to crop. Check preview scaling and the canvas resolution. For 16:9 streams, set canvas to 1920x 1080 so what you see matches final output. While in preview, set your scene transitions and confirm audio meters. When everything in preview looks right, click Transition to send it to program. That publishes your prepared content live. If you need external monitoring, right-click the preview and choose Projector, Preview to show it on a second screen. This helps for audio sync checks and framing. Once happy, save your scene collection and profile to preserve settings. If you cannot see preview, toggle Studio Mode off and on, then restart OBS. Corrupt docs sometimes hide the preview pane. Resetting the UI often fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.